Hi guys, welcome to Paleo Low Carb Kate. I'm standing in for her today and it's my first time, so bear with me, let me know how I'm doing at the end. Today I'm going to show you how to do the salad Shirazi. It's something we encountered first time in London and we loved it and definitely wanted to know how it's done. So now we present our findings. So as you can see, we're only using very basic ingredients, tomatoes, an English cucumber. The original uses Persian cucumber, which is smaller and slightly sweet. But this is an English cucumber and it was quite big, so we cut it in half. This is a mix of parsley and mint. You can also use things like cilantro. So, and for the dressing we need black pepper, salt, olive oil and lime juice. The original uses unripe grape juice, but that's not so readily available here in Europe or in the US. So lime juice will just do. You can also use lemon juice. I'm starting with the salad dressing. The lime juice is already there. Olive oil, salt and pepper, black pepper. I give it a good mix. It's important to cut the vegetables as small as possible. I like to do it like this. Next I'm going to cut the tomatoes and I've already washed them. You can use any type of fleshy tomatoes. You don't have to remove the seeds, but if they're too seedy, you can remove them so the salad gets less soggy. But you can always use them for other recipes, the seeds that is. Just give it a good mix in a large enough bowl and we add the dressing and the herbs. If you use dried mint, you can also add it at this point, then it tastes best. Just stir so it combines well. You can serve immediately, but to get all the right flavors, it's best to leave it in the fridge for about an hour. Right, thanks very much for watching my first video. I hope we'll see each other very soon, and you will find the full recipe on the website. Kate will put it below. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Bye for now.